Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today I wanted to show you guys how I do a 4-color ombre, and it's actually this set right here. I recreated it for an order, so I wanted to take you guys through and show you how it was done. Okay, so I'm already set up. I have my portable airbrush ventilation system. Here are the colors I'll be using. I'll have everything linked down below, and I also did a review on the ventilation system. It's in my video, so if you guys want to check that out, feel free to. It is definitely a game changer if you airbrush, because it takes all of the fumes away from you. But anyway, so I like to start on a clear base with this specific set, and then I just go in from the tip. That's just how I like to do it. And I'm going in with my first color, which is this lavender color, and it also glows in the dark, which is super cool. Then we're gonna go in with our next color, which is like a baby blue, and it blends so well with this lavender. I just love this combo all together. But for the next couple colors, I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and then I will be back once it's time for the bling and the decals. And then really quick, I did want to add in that I did 2 layers of the pink, because when I brought it out of the lamp, it looked really light, and I wanted the pink to be more of like the cover color, so I wanted it to be a little bit darker around that like cuticle area. So yeah, I just went in with one more layer, very soft, and then you'll see that it just like pulled everything together. So it's definitely your call if you want to do 1 layer, 2 layers, whatever you want to do, but this is what it's looking like. Okay, so I did one hand off camera, and so I'm going to show you guys how I did the decals and the stones and then the matte top coat. I also did the buffing and the filing off camera, so we could just get straight into the decals and the stones. Right here, I'm just wiping them down with alcohol so that I can remove any dust or anything that has gotten onto them. Okay, and then right here, so if you see on the top set, I have them going from thumb to pinky, and then the set that I'm working on, it's going from pinky to thumb. I would highly recommend that if you're like copying the set up top, to make sure the nails are like the same, or just pay attention. I guess I wasn't paying attention, and I ended up putting the decals on the index finger instead of the ring finger like the top set. So you'll see once I start doing the stones, I realized that, so I had to fix it. And instead of throwing out that nail and having to redo the whole thing, what I did was I got my buffer and I just lightly buffed the sticker part of it, and I removed all of the white part, so there was still that sticker residue. So what you want to do is get an alcohol wipe or get a lint-free wipe and add some alcohol to it and just rub it really good, and it'll remove the whole sticker part, and then the nail is like new. So you'll see that in the next clip that I did all of that off camera, and then the nail looks perfect. I still do the bling on it and everything, but I just wanted to give you guys like a little tip in case you ever do put a decal or something on the wrong nail. You don't have to get rid of that nail, because I see a lot of people like when I'm watching stories, I see a lot of people throw out a whole nail, and I'm like, oh my god, don't do that, you know, because it takes so long, especially if it's an ombre set and you're done with that ombre part, like everything is cleaned up. So yeah, so that's a super easy way to remove decals and stuff like that. Okay, so as you can see on this nail right here, it looks like nothing was ever done to it. So I'm telling y'all that alcohol trick works. It takes everything off. I was able to still use this nail, put the stones on and everything, and it didn't look like I had put decals on it before. Okay, so now that we're at the thumb, I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys about the matte top coat that I use, because I never see people recommend it, and I'm like, why? I feel like it's the best matte top coat. I've seen people recommend a Prey matte top coat, and personally, I don't like it. It leaves like a white film over the nail when you, like, if you alcohol it, because I like to clean my nails before I ship them out, so I always wipe my nails down with alcohol before I put them in the box, and then I wipe them again once they're in the box, just to take off any like fingerprints or lint or anything like that. And so I noticed with the Prey matte top coat, especially if you're doing like a dark color or black, it leaves a white like film over it and it looks horrible. So my favorite matte top coat is Wildflowers. I'll have it linked down below. I believe it's like $10, so it's not bad, and it's a really big bottle. The consistency is perfect, and the matte finish, oh my gosh, I recently had so many questions about what top coat I use, and so I'm here to tell you guys, don't waste your money on anything else. Give it to Wildflowers. She is amazing as well, the owner. So yeah, that is just my preference. As you can see right here, that is the matte top coat. Like, it's beautiful. Okay, so this is the final look,
And I also have a giveaway going right now on my page, so if you guys want to enter, go ahead and go to my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!